Luke chapter 9. Jesus sending 12 apostles. After Jesus done call the 12 disciples together, he give them power and authority to drive demon and to heal people we know well. Then he can send them go preach about God's kingdom and heal people we know well. He tell them, make una not take walking stick, bag, bread, money, or extra clothes follow body. Make una stay for any house where una enter until una comot for that area. Anywhere where them no welcome una, make una shake the sand from una leg as una dey comot, and this go be witness against them. The disciples come travel, go all the village them. They preach the good news and heal people for everywhere. Herod dey confused about Jesus. When Herod, wey be ruler, hear about everything wey dey happen, he confused. Because some people say John don't wake up from death, and others say Elijah don't appear. Some still say one old prophet don't wake up. Herod can say, I order me them cut John head comot. But who be this one where I dey hear all these things about so? Because of that, Herod can try to find out more about Jesus. Jesus feed 5,000 people. When the apostles come back, they tell Jesus everything where they don't do. Then Jesus take only them, follow body, go Bethsaida. But when people know, they can't follow Jesus and his disciples go there. He welcomed them, then tell them about God's kingdom, and he healed those who were not well. When they done the dark, the disciples can't tell Jesus, tell these people make them go, so that they go the village and farm way near this area, go find food shop, come sleep for there. Because this place now wilderness. But Jesus answer, make honor, give them food chop. They can't say, now only 5 bread and 2 fish we get. Unless you want to say, make we go buy food for all of them. The men wey dey there alone reach 5,000. Jesus telling disciples, tell the people, make them sit down 50-50. The disciples do as Jesus talk, and all the people come sit down. Then Jesus take the 5 bread and 2 fish. He look heaven, thank God, then he can't divide them. He give the bread and fish to his disciples, make them share them for the people. Everybody shop belle full, and when they gather the food where it remain, a full 12 baskets. Peter talk who Jesus be. As Jesus they pray alone, and his disciples they near him, he can't ask them, now who people they talk say I be? They answer, some say you be John the Baptist, others say you be Elijah, and others still say you be one old prophet we wake up from death. Then Jesus asked them, but now who una talk say I be? Peter can't answer, you be the Messiah we God send. But Jesus warned them well, saying make dem not tell anybody about am. Then Jesus tell them, God pikin go suffer many things. The elders, the priests oga dem, and the law teachers go reject am, then go kill am, and after 3 days, God go wake am up. How to be Jesus' disciple? So Jesus tell all of them, if person wan follow me, he must forget himself, carry him cross every day, dey follow me. Because anybody wey wan save him life go lose am, and anybody wey lose him life because of me go save am. Wetin person go gain if he get the whole world but he lose him soul? Anybody wey dey shame for me and my word, man pikin go shame for am when he go come back for him glory and the glory wey him papa and the angels get. But I tell una true word, some people wey stand for here no go die before dem go see God kingdom. Jesus, Moses, and Elijah. 1 week after Jesus talk all these things, he can't take Peter, John, and James go on top one mountain go pray. As he dey pray, him face change and him clothes come dey shine like light. At once, Moses and Elijah come dey talk with am. As dem appear with glory, they can't tell Jesus how he go suffer and die for Jerusalem as dem write for God word. Peter and the others wey dey with am dey sleep before, but at once sleep comot from their eye and dem see Jesus' glory and the 2 men wey stand with am. Then as Moses and Elijah wan go, Peter come tell Jesus, Oga God, e good make we stay here. Make we build 3 tents, one for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah. Peter no even know wetin he dey talk. As he still dey talk, one kind cloud surround them. Fear come catch the disciples as Moses and Elijah enter the cloud. One voice from the cloud come say, "This na my pikin wey I choose. Make una lis ten to am." After the voice don talk finish, Jesus come dey alone for the place. But the disciples quiet and dem not tell anybody wetin dem see. Jesus heal boy wey get evil spirit. The next day, when dem come down from the mountain, many people come meet Jesus. Then one man among the people cry come, "Teacher, I beg you, see my pikin. I'm be the only boy wey I get. Evil spirit dey worry am and e dey make am shout. The evil spirit go shake am and foam dey comot for him mouth. The spirit no gree leave am and e dey trouble am well. I beg your disciples make they drive the demon comot, but they no fit." Jesus come tell them, "Una wey dey do bad things and no gree believe, how long I go stay with una?" Then he tell the man, "Bring your pikin come here." As the boy dey come, the demon throw am for ground. He start to dey shake and foam come dey comot from him mouth. Then Jesus command the demon make e comot. and he heal the boy, come give am to him papa. Then everybody wey dey there come surprise as them see God power. But as the people still dey surprise, Jesus come tell him disciples, make una not forget wetin I wan tell una. Dem go sell God pikin give human being. But dem no understand this word because God hide am from them, make dem for no know wetin the word mean. The disciples themselves dey fear to ask Jesus about the matter about who big pass. The disciples come dey ask themselves, who big pass among us for God kingdom? When Jesus know wetin dem dey talk, he bring one small pikin near am, come tell them, anybody wey welcome this small pikin because of me don welcome me, and anybody wey welcome me don welcome God wey send me, because the person wey small pass among una na him big pass for God kingdom. Jesus sighed. John tell Jesus, Oga God, we see one man dey drive demon with your name, and we tell am make he stop because he no dey with us. Jesus come answer am, no stop am, because anybody wey no dey against us dey our side. Then reject Jesus for Samaria. When the time where God go take Jesus go heaven don near, Jesus think for him mind say he go Jerusalem. He can't send messengers go for front, and they enter one village for Samaria, go prepare everything before he go reach there. But the villagers no gree welcome am, because they see say he won't go Jerusalem. When James and John see wetin happen, they can't say, Oga God, you want make we call fire down from heaven, come kill these people? But Jesus turn warn them. Then him and them can't go another village. Who go follow Jesus? As Jesus did go for road, one man come tell him, I won't follow you go anywhere where you go. Jesus come tell him, rabbits get hole, birds get nest, but man pikin no get anywhere to put in head. Jesus come tell another man, make you follow me. But that one say, Oga God, make I first go bury my papa. Jesus come tell him, make those wey don die bury who don die, but make you go preach about God kingdom. Another person come say, Oga God, I go like to follow you, but make I first go tell my family bye-bye. Jesus tell him, person wey put hand for this work, then he can't dey look back, he no get part for God kingdom.